habanza kubaho kutambura kwetorora etawuni y'Ibanda ngo muringo gumwe gukore ko kurwanisa obushomankuzi kandi nabwanyuma umukoro gwaba hacaye ikishomero eri yakibubura umukoro gwo kuzekero cyo kurwanisa obushomankuzi umunsi yona ekero kubaho biro mwenda by'ukwezi kwa 12 Uganda yakizagurizo muri Ibanda kandi Nobert Mao Minisita w'ibyamateka n'engenderwaho y'ihanga niwe yabo mugenyi mukuru umutwe gwo kujaguze kireki gw'abantu kugira ngo n'urutaro rwa buri munya Uganda okurwanisa obushomankuzi kandi aha yahiga buri omwe okuruzamo.
We are now asking you to become involved. There is a difference between being concerned and being involved. In Uganda today, we have concerned people when an accident occurs. They are concerned, they take videos and they put on Facebook and Twitter. They are concerned, they take photos. But they are not involved. They are not carrying anybody to go to hospital. In fact, they can see a person die, bleed to death while they are taking a video. So much Ugandans treat corruption like that.
Yashomera mukuru w'ihango butumwa bwe w'izoberi obu yasindika ha mukorogo.
That if it is not checked, will hinder progress in all sectors of society. Instead of officials carrying out work on public projects, they are busy looking for avenues through which they can divert funds and materials for their own private use.
Nabwanyuma yatongozaho kampeni yo kurongora ogwe wena aratera umuranga gw'obushomankuzi. Kampeni eginegira ngo mu Uganda oratere nduru naija kurongorwa sente z'uru kwinga no bucweka butana hari ezo ezeracungurwa ha mushomankuzi.
Therefore, many people are not willing to risk their lives in giving key information or evidence in criminal cases. Honorable Minister, our chief guest, we request that the development of the witness protection law is expedited as one of the best tools of fighting crime.
The word corruption or fighting corruption is not the top function of the inspectorate of government. And indeed, in a section of over 100 words, the word corruption appears only once. Yet, it is the general perception of the public that the inspectorate of government's #1 role is to fight corruption.
So many articles, acts, amateka akurwanisa uburwenguzi konga habwa cyo uburwenguzi buremere bakagira ngo corruption is a cancer.
Uganda neferwa sente z'uru kurenga trillion mwenda buri mwaka okurabira ombushomankuzi. Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.